great projects require immense skills. Our success is built on a foundation of relentless dedication and a commitment to excellence. We excel in delivering projects on time, optimizing resources, applying strategic and efficient planning, and ensuring the highest quality standards throughout the project lifecycle. Safety is central to our operations. We foster a proactive culture of vigilance and well-being. We are driven by extensive experience in large-scale mechanical and electrical installation and modernization of industrial plants. That has achieved remarkable success, demonstrating our capability to execute effectively in complex environments. Our success is not the result of a single action, but it's a product of the collective effort and skill of our highly qualified technicians and project managers. Epcido. We make the logistics work.